Oh, what a day. Alright. So we are off to the mall. Hi, guys. My old jacket. I just feel like ever. It's been in John's garage forever. God, it's cold! Yeah. I don't know. We're headed to the mall to go buy up a bunch of retail equipment because there's a store closing. So we're gonna go wheel and deal so we can get this merchandise up for y'all and hopefully start working on a new warehouse location where we can start filming better videos and all that stuff. We're gonna take the swag van. Oh yeah. Yeah. You guys are gonna get introduced to the swag van and my family. So my father is gonna be joining us and my Uncle Jason, who is like the greatest person on earth. So you ready, man? You ready? Let's get it. Missing someone. Well, that was a total colossal failure. We now have to go all the way to Pueblo to talk to the owner in order to buy any of the things that we saw today. So we've got it all being held. Fun time. Say what's up, Jaden. It's a video. What does it look like?
What?
Just cuz. Just say hi.
Hi. Heavy.
Put it back on. Put it back on. I can get a picture. They are pretty heavy.
Light up.
Oh, that is so cool.
That is sweet. That's sweet, bud.
Yeah, man. Crazy stuff up here. Hey, if y'all do have any like questions,
Awesome, bud. Thank you.
Fred.
Yeah. So what do you like? Dip them in there or something?
Yep, you dip them in there.
All right. Thank you. You too.
Y'all touch it with your... Alright, Jamie. Grab one with your chopsticks. Yeah. You know how to use chopsticks?
No.
Seriously? Yeah, those are cool. Like that? Okay. Finger right on top. Just go like that.
I'll just use two hands.
Good try. Can't stab it. Mystery. There you go. Dip it in your chocolate. A little hard.
How do I do?
Stick it in your mouth. Yeah. Well, get it out of the thing. There you go. Up in your mouth. Breathe out. Oh, you're not steaming no more. Keep eating them.
Huh?
Keep eating them. They're good.
I know.
Jay, was that successful?
What up?
Was that successful or no? Mildly successful. Huh? Yeah, I'll work the door. Alright. Now we're off to go find some hoodies to make some merch. Let's get it.
Missing someone. Love is hard. How much you miss it. And you deserve.
Alright guys, so that was day 2 of the vlog. We got a lot of shopping done. Unfortunately wasn't able to get half the things that we wanted or needed, unfortunately, but good news, we were able to find the contacts we needed to get the things that we needed to get all of our merchandise up and moving and hopefully get a storefront location. Doubtful, but we'll see. Right now, working on new hoodie for you guys. This is the Bird Flu hoodie, so that is all about the budget show car build that we're doing. That's its name, is Bird Flu. So now you know that. And on top of that, rocking the Stuck brand dad hat because my Uncle Jason's brand is super awesome, very inspirational company that delves deep into maintaining the faith through adversity and all that stuff. So really awesome thing, awesome message he's putting out there. So I figured I'd rep him a little bit. So yeah, that was our day. I mean, we didn't really get a whole lot done, but you know, the weather was kind of crappy. Didn't get the chance to work on the GA at all, so the NX had to sit and wait. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get back on it the way we wanted to, get the fuel rail off, get all that stuff cleaned out, and hopefully get it running a little better without a misfire. And yeah, so there we are. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.
Love is hard.